Every business relies on their IT infrastructure to operate, but not every business has the resources or expertise to manage, protect, and optimize their complex systems. Hello, I'm Maura Driscoll, and today I'm in Lawrence, Massachusetts, visiting Thrive Networks, a Staples company. Thrive is a complete solution provider for emerging to mid-sized businesses. I've asked Thrive to take me behind the scenes inside their network operations and remote support centers. This is where Thrive's combination of best-in-class technology and experienced IT engineers keep their clients' critical systems and valuable data up and running. Well, I'm really interested in learning about the suite of services that you provide to your customers. So what can you tell me about that?
Well, our core product is called Thrive Protect. And what Thrive Protect does is offer every one of our clients antivirus, anti-spyware, automated patching, and access to our remote support center 24/7, 365. It's actually broken up into two distinct pieces. We proactively take care of problems before they become issues in our network operations center, which are kind of our eyes in the sky. They have agents and probes in your infrastructure that are constantly getting alerts on what's going on. We want to take care of those alerts before they become end user problems. But when there are end user issues, you can call here, our remote support center, and talk with one of our remote support engineers anytime, and we'll resolve your problem as quickly as possible.
So Mike, describe to us what this network operations center provides to your customers.
Well, this is really the hub of our managed services platform, so we do all the monitoring and maintenance of those systems right here in this room.
Is the monitoring automated?
Absolutely. We've got a couple different systems that we will use to pick up on problems before they become bigger issues, and we're actually taking a look at any trends that might pop up.
Does the support that you offer only apply to servers?
No, the support is for servers, for workstations, for network devices, firewalls. Pretty much any network device that the client might need supported can be supported on the Thrive Protect platform.
How deeply are you able to drill down for answers?
Really down to the machine level. We can know exactly what motherboard is installed, what chipsets are installed. I mean, we can get any kind of information that you would get by sitting right at that machine. We can get all of that with our tools.
How does the Network Operations Center differ from the Remote Support Center?
We're primarily a proactive arm of Thrive, but the remote support center is more of a reactive arm. We need to figure out whether or not we can address problems ahead of time or whether or not they've already happened and we need to get them resolved.
Even though we're being proactive, there are going to be times when users or devices have issues that come up because technology sometimes breaks, unfortunately. The Remote Support Center is here to take those tickets and service the ones that the customers see before we see them. So if a customer is having an Outlook issue, we may not know that in the Network Operations Center, but the user certainly sees that as a disruption of service. And what they do is they call in and we create a ticket for them in the Remote Support Center.
Can you walk us through what happens if a situation actually does arise?
If a customer has an issue that comes up on, say, a server, a ticket will be created automatically by our monitoring system, and we'll begin work on that ticket immediately. And we'll reach out and call the customer and let them know that we're doing some work for them. When the engineer's doing their work, they capture all of their notes into that ticket, and ultimately when we close the ticket, we alert the customer that their issue's been addressed. Basically, before the client even knows, we're already taking action to fix the problem in real time.
Now, everyone who works for Thrive Networks is based in the United States, is that correct?
Everybody's a U.S. employee. Most of our associates are in Massachusetts, and we have some associates in different locations, satellite offices across the country.
What is the true benefit of your services?
There's a lot of enterprise level services that small businesses really want to have, and we can provide that with a lot of our managed services. So you get a lot of that enterprise level support without having to pay for the infrastructure and the staff that you might need to get it all done.
It's really the peace of mind that comes with having all of the elements of your IT environment covered by one single point of contact. That's really the biggest benefit I think we bring to bear for the clients.
We know that even when we're not paying attention, Thrive is paying attention. So if something were to go wrong when nobody is in the office or if it's overnight, we know that somebody's being alerted and any problems can be fixed.
It gives me the peace of mind to get out of my office and build my business. I know that 24 hours a day, the Network Operations Center is going to be watching my data, protecting my data, so that I can focus my time and energy on growing my business.